Hi everyone, welcome back to बच्चों की बातें. We are going to play a snakes and ladder game with you. This game essentially highlights two things. What if social emotional skills are not really dependent on the big things that you do, but on the small lessons that the child is seeing and learning every day? What happens and what does not happen both impact the child. तो यहाँ पे ये स्नेक्स एंड लैडर तो बना है, लेकिन इसी से रिलेटेड सिचुएशंस को हमने इस बोल में जो चिट्स रखे हैं उसमें लिखे हुए हैं. जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, आई विल बी पिकिंग अप अ सिचुएशन, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू व्हाट वाज द पेरेंट्स रिस्पॉन्स इन दैट सिचुएशन, and then we'll be discussing what is the impact on the child's behavior. So let's get started. Okay, the first one is a tough one. There's a girl about 2.5 years old and she's playing in her play area. मिट्टी में खेल रही है लड़की गाड़ी के साथ. सब बच्चे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, लड़के हैं, लड़कियां हैं. एंड कुछ देर में उसकी मॉम आती है और कहती है, अरे ये क्या कर रही हो लड़कों वाली हरकतें, छोड़ो मिट्टी को, छोड़ो गाड़ियों को, जाओ हाथ धो लो और अपनी दोस्तों के साथ खेलो. द गर्ल स्टॉप्स एंड स्टैंड्स कंफ्यूज्ड. दैट्स द सिचुएशन. नाउ टेल मी, इज दिस अ स्नेक सिचुएशन और अ लैडर सिचुएशन? Yes, you guessed it right. This is definitely a red flag. When parents do this, and as you saw, the child stood confused, children internalize stereotypes. And this does not happen suddenly. It happens through the daily conversations that are happening with the child. हम कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ को लड़कों के साथ एट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं. खाना बनाना मम्मी का काम है, बाहर का काम करना पापा का काम है, मम्मी की रोटी गोल गोल, पापा के पैसे गोल गोल, जिस तरीके के राइम्स बच्चे सुनते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दिस इंटरनलाइजेस जेंडर स्टीरियोटाइप्स. Along with understanding and low self-esteem that the child internalizes, what also happens is the aspirations of the child are impacted, because children start associating their aspirations with what gender they have. Hence, be aware of what we are saying to the child, because that has a strong impact on the development or the hindrance of self-esteem in the child's life. Let's see our next situation now. क्या आ रहा है हमारे लिए? ओके, एक 3 साल का लड़का है. While playing, the बच्चा falls and both the parents come running. They both hug the child, but they say, अरे आप तो स्ट्रॉन्ग हो ना, आप मेरे ब्रेव बच्चे हो, आप क्यों रो रहे हो? The child just stops. Now what do you think has happened here? बताइए. Is it snakes or is it ladder? Definitely snakes. We won't understand it immediately. At times we say these phrases to our children every day, that you're my brave child, you're my warm child, you're such a capable person. But at times what that does to the child is that they feel that they can't express their actual emotions, and in the facade of being brave, they stop expressing to the parent. Definitely in this situation there is a gender play. At times boys are asked not to cry. But what is more important to be highlighted is that when a child is expressing themselves, it is important to let them be. Let them cry for some time. Let them, express their anger, their sadness for some time. And then we can enable them to repair whatever is happening to them. Okay, let's take the last one. Oh, this is a wonderful one. Your child has built a very beautiful tower using blocks, and you had stepped away for a while. You come back and you see what the child has created, and you respond by saying, oh wow, this is so cool. Can you tell me how you did it? And the child just laughs, smiles, and starts building the tower all over again. What do you think is this situation? Is it a ladder or a snake situation? Think about it. Yes, it's definitely a ladder situation. ऐसे देखा जाए तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल चीज़ लगती है कि हमने बस अप्रिशिएट कर लिया बच्चे को, लेकिन at the back of the mind, the बच्चा is getting so much validation when you're saying that can you show me how you did it. The child somewhere feels that what he or she has done is extremely important, and it's worthy of presenting it to someone, which also increases the confidence of the child to try new things. So definitely a green flag, a ladder situation, and definitely keep doing it. There are hundreds and thousands of such situations we see every day with our children. What is critical to be highlighted is that you are important. You are the thread that is actually leading to so many new creations in the child's life, to building the skills that are important. Albert Bandura was a psychologist who spoke about social learning. And for a child, the home is the first space where this learning happens. At times, the child may not even listen to you, but the child is observing you. So what you say is important, but what you do is equally important. You are their first role model. And so, even when you're faltering, it would just be okay to say sorry. Oh, no, none of us are perfect. But what is important is the authenticity in the relationship. So, share with us the moments that you have taken away from this video. And tell us about what are some of the snakes that you will avoid and what are some of the ladders that you're going to pick in the days to come. Till then, stay tuned to Bachcho Ki Baatein.